Hello, I'm Ganja. I'm the co-founder and the CTO of Quin AI. Today, I will give you a brief tour about Quin AI and what we are doing. Quin was born from a combined 20-year experience of two sisters who got tired of one-size-fits-all kind of tools, experience tools. Everyone was already trying to understand customers by looking at what they did weeks ago, months ago, year ago, all past information. But here is a twist. In the online world, 80% of the customers are anonymous. We know nothing about their past. And retail decisions, they happen in real time, and customer intent changes in heartbeat. So we thought, what if experience could change just as fast? What if we could create a personalized journey for every single person? Right there in the moment, that's what real personalization means. And we do it while we are keeping user privacy in front and the center of everything, because magic doesn't have to be creepy. Quin AI is the first deep learning system built specifically to supercharge e-commerce conversions, driving real growth and profitability. With Quin Audience Engine, your e-commerce marketing and digital experience teams can deliver dynamic offers, smart recommendations, and personalized content to the right customer at exactly perfect moment. We turn your first-party behavioral data into your biggest competitive edge, and we are proud winner at Digital Impact Awards Best Use of Artificial Intelligence. Our early adopters and partners believe Quin's vision from day one, and together we are reimagining what is possible in real-time personalization. At Quin, we don't just track behaviors, we understand the intent. Our deep learning engine listens, learns, and adapts in real time, turning anonymous clicks into meaningful moments. It's how we help brands meet every customer, not just where they are in your website or app, but who they are, either with Quin Adaptive Experience Engine, or your favorite marketing tool. You can turn those moments into impact, delivering right content, offer, and product at the right time. Quin analyzes privacy-safe first-party clickstream data in just 70 milliseconds and delivers actions in under 70 milliseconds, which is an eye blink time. This speed means you can respond to every visitor, including first-timers and incognito users, in real time with instant action triggers. Quin detects shifting intent during the journey and adapts the experience on the spot. Quin turns these fleeting moments into meaningful conversions. With Quin, you can also enrich your databases, customer platforms, or all customer data in real time with behavioral signals, and they are your customers' latest intents, motivations, and interests, which is in milliseconds, basically. And also, you can unlock the next level of predictive audiences to instantly upgrade your Google and Meta ads and the other retargeting platforms, so you can retarget smarter, spend wiser, focus on right intent segments, and cut the waste on low profitability users. It is quite easy to use actually Quin because it's a open, closed, cloud-based platform. Only you have to do is the connect to the Quin. Connection is quite easy with your GTM or for apps SDK in minutes, and let's Quin start to do its magic. Start learning instantly and also within days, it will unlock the real-time insights and predictive audiences and automated optimization guidelines. Launch precise automated campaigns where it matters most, and watch your conversion rates and ROIs grow in real time. So, from connecting to seeing the first results, within 30 days, you will see and feel the real impact. Quin AI's intuitive platform puts the power in your hands. You don't need any coding. You don't need data science. You don't need to wait anything. So what you will do is, after connecting to Quin, you get lots of insightful analysis, real-time sites and app analytics, your deep insight about your customers and your customer journey diagnostics, and also you can create your actions within the portal and also track the performance of those actions and even do your A/B tests. Everything updates in real time, so you can move fast, learn fast, and grow even faster. With Quin, every visitor, product, and price points becomes an opportunity. Our partners do not just see results, they unlock the entire growth paths for them. Take IKEA, for example. By optimizing actions for just one category, in this case it was bed sheets, they boosted their basket size 5 times. Now imagine what's possible. You can do this across your entire catalog. And let's discover what the real time and real impact feels like. Our sales team is ready to walk you through the Quin, and we are here and we are excited to meet you. Thank you for joining today.
Thank you, Gonka. That was a great presentation. I'm really interested now to ask a few questions. One of the questions I've got is around the classic problem in personalization being the cold start issue. So it takes a long time, sometimes 3 months, right, for a model to train itself based on behavior. How long does your model take for a typical customer? I think in the past you've told me as quick as like 2-3 days, even for some.
Yeah, exactly. Actually, basically, it depends on your traffic. If your traffic is big enough means, monthly number of visits is higher than 1 million, which is normally the case. It takes like 3 days, 2 or 3 days. But if it's lower than that, so we need a little bit, the system needs a little bit time to just learn. So in that case, it's like 5 days.
Got you. Thank you. The next question I've got is there's a lot of people saying they do real-time personalization, pseudo-anonymous, we don't know who the customer is, they're not signed in, but we can still do real-time personalization. Many vendors in the market, it's very crowded. But what are the differences? Why are you different to all of these other vendors out there that are all saying sometimes similar things to you?
Yeah, I mean, this is a crowded market, and I'm sure lots of people hear the same things. But we are AI native tool, so our difference is our intelligent bit, and we are not rule based, and we don't use past behaviors or past analysis. So we are just focused on that moment of the customers. And the AI basically adapts the experience of every individual. So it's like using a ChatGPT. ChatGPT gives the answer different to me and then different to you for exactly the same question sometimes, because it is about like how our past or how our browsing behavior just affects it. It is exactly the same thing.
Got it. And then I'm Nike, and I've got Adidas. You're a SaaS platform, right? One multi-tenant SaaS platform. That's going to be a challenge for me if I'm Nike because you're going to be using the same technology and presumably using what you learned from Nike to apply to Adidas. That would make me nervous if I was Adidas.
Okay, I mean, totally understandable. Basically, the thing is, each customer, our own customers like Nike and Adidas, each of them have different models and different data sets. So the models are totally different from each other, and we don't learn from we don't transfer the learning from, Adidas to Nike or Nike to Adidas, from different companies. The main reason is their brand image is different, their site layout is different, their customers are different, their perception is different, their price levels are different, catalogs are different, and everything is different. So each company is unique. So they have their own unique system and model.
Thank you. And my final question is, you quoted some really amazing statistics earlier around customer success of conversion and basket sizes, etc. How do you know that that incremental revenue is coming from Quin and that's Quin's driven it, and it's not just the products, it's to do with the products and the way they're merchandised?
Yeah, no, this is actually the all the time that our customers always ask to us as well. The main thing is actually what we are doing is we are running a natural A/B test behind the every actions. So you can easily, play with your A/B test, and you can design your A/B test as well, and you can decide the percentages of your control groups or the task groups or whatever. So we do those A/B tests inherently, and actually statistics give the answers of them. So the result of the A/B test show us whether the action works or not. And also system learns from this A/B test, what is going right, what is going wrong, and then adapts itself.
Great. And I'm going to ask one more question. So if I'm a customer, I'm a little bit skeptical. I'm like, I've got all these promises from other software companies. You do proof of concept so that you can actually prove that your system does work, as you say.
Yeah. That's true, and it is quite easy with Quin because the whole the all plugin period to the seeing the end results takes not more than a month. So in a month, within a proof of concept, you can test Quin and then see the results easily.
Fantastic. Well, thank you very much for your time today, Gonka. That was really, really insightful.
Thank you for having us. Thank you.